Welcome everyone. Today we begin a new adventure in the world of trains, filled with surprising mistakes, unbelievable fails, and key tips along the way. A lot of work and documentation goes into creating these videos, so get ready to enjoy the ride. And don't forget to subscribe before we dive in. This is what happens when you take your car for some off-roading. You end up stuck in the most unlikely places. In this case, it's better to abandon ship, as they say. This group of workers waited a little too long before moving away. This scene was filmed in France. The driver wanted to cross at any cost, probably because of an urgent need, but the camera caught it all, and he'll be getting a nice fine. Look at this guy and what happens to him. Not sure if he was stuck in the snow or just running an errand, but the train didn't stop. And boom, that Tucson is heading straight to the repair shop. How do you think this will go with the insurance? They say we all have a quota of luck in life, and sometimes you use it all at once. Like here, young people, don't push your luck too far. We wonder how some people manage to survive in this world. This guy looks totally out of it, as if he didn't even notice the other train. Shout out to the van speeding like crazy, but he got a surprise. Since the train itself is called Surprise, it's a perfect coincidence. At first glance, I didn't understand anything, but look closely. The guy crashed into the barrier and broke it. Luckily, it wasn't solid, otherwise the train would have smashed him instead. Once again, the contest, who can stay the longest on the tracks? Don't do this. Life is short enough already. No need to make it shorter. Today's youth, partying like nothing else matters. On January 7th, 2008, a tornado struck a Union Pacific train near Harvard, Illinois. Trees bent, debris hit the trailing engine, and powerful winds toppled several cars. The rest of the train, pushed by momentum, plowed ahead, adding to the destruction. A tank car carrying shock fluid leaked for hours before crews contained it. The train behind was called in to tow these wagons, but from what happens next, I think the calculations were off. The rails do not provide a good support point, like a floor for a car, and this gives this. Some people are just hard to understand. Most still cross even when the lights are flashing and the alarm is sounding. Don't be like them. Life is precious. Left step, right step, left step again. This train looks like an SUV being tested on a rough road. The rails are in such bad shape, I wonder how this train is even able to run on them. This train looks fine, moving calmly, but if you look closely, it seems to have lost something along the way. It can happen, and we have seen others, but the question is, why is this guy running behind?
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah.
In India, when you hear a train coming from far away, you'd better step aside quickly. They don't stop for anyone.
Take that away.
And here's our old cyclist trying to challenge a train. These passers-by must give the drivers headaches. These train drivers are entitled to a swimming pool in the summer to recover from their hard work. One dive and they're off again. I wonder if everyone noticed this train coming at full speed. Luckily, this driver avoided it in time. We always stick with our last-minute superheroes. This Superman just got a reality check from afar. He clearly didn't like being filmed, but hopefully it will serve as a reminder. Kids, don't do this. Have you ever seen a train on fire? The problem started up front in the cockpit, most likely an electrical issue in cases like this. It's the Nautilus. No need to book a luxury train with VIP prices. This train will give you the same thrills for a much lower cost. This is what happens when you hire two drivers who watched a little too much Fast and Furious. But what do we see here? Part of the rails is broken, a huge danger for everyone. But if you look closely, you'll see the train passing slowly. It must have been warned to cross at low speed. Imagine if it had come at full speed. This video requires analysis. Comment to help. Who's at fault here? The lights were off and the driver didn't notice the train approaching. Luckily, he had the reflexes to stop before impact. How much must this wagon be worth? Write your figure in the comments. It's not every day you see an excavator lifting a wagon. This one was out of service but looked fine. Maybe just rust issues. In India, it's best not to hang around on the tracks. It's unforgiving. It's better to move away. Could you give a scientific explanation of what is going to happen? One single wagon derails and all the others follow. Result, the oncoming train pays the price. Do you think this was poor rail maintenance? Trains are used a lot to transport goods, but you must always make sure the wagons are properly connected and secured. Otherwise, it'll be like Home Alone. I missed the train. This train looks like it's struggling to stay straight. What do you think the problem is? The warm and crazy train derailment happened January 22, 2019, when about 30 grain cars derailed north of Saskatoon on Highway 11. A locomotive leaked diesel that burned for hours, but no one was hurt and no dangerous goods were involved. The TSB investigation traced the cause to a deteriorated rail with an internal fracture from aging components in a high-stress area. This train just derailed in the middle of the street. Fortunately, no pedestrians or cars were nearby. A freight train traveling at just 15 kilometers per hour ran into a minor issue at a level crossing in Grand Puits, France. One of the tanker cars derailed. The damage was significant, but luckily no one was injured. We all know about car washes, but have you ever seen a train wash? Not very high tech, but pretty effective, and everyone can enjoy the show. In Canada, taking the train in winter is something special. Not only do you get beautiful views, but you also get a free wash before boarding. Come on, we're going straight ahead. Everything's cool. No problem. Keep driving. What could have caused this? Admire the speed of this train on the snowy roads of Canada. It's quite a spectacle. I'll never tire of the pleasure of seeing the snow propelled like that. Ever seen a shocking train incident yourself? Drop it in the comments. Your stories always make these videos even better. If you enjoyed this one, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next ride. And don't forget, there are plenty more unbelievable moments waiting for you across the channel. Take care out there, and I'll catch you in the next video.